This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers on a Kia Sportage. First, gather your new wiper blades and any tools you might need, though often none are required. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and parked securely. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and damaging the glass. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down and off the hook. It should detach easily. Always hold onto the wiper arm securely during this step. You don't want it to accidentally spring back and potentially crack your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully slide the new wiper blade onto the hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly upwards until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's properly seated and won't come loose during operation. This step is crucial for safe driving. Once the new blade is installed, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade if you're replacing both. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Ensure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly. Enjoy your clear view and improved driving safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.